How to change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser. Click the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter on your keyboard to access your Facebook account. After that, click on your profile icon at top right corner and then you have to select settings and privacy option. Now, select the settings option. Once you get access to your settings section, you have to select See More in Account Center. Now you will land on this Order section where you need to scroll down and now click on MetaPay at bottom left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose your account and in the settings you have to select the currency and then select your preferred currency. For example, select USD and click on Save button. You need to know that you can only change your currency once every 72 hours and payments will be in the new currency. So that is how we successfully change currency in Facebook Ads Manager. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.